Okay, here we are with a quick tutorial on how to change the page layout of a new page. And so I created a new page called Twitter for the Sandbox site. And now I'd like to change around the layout of this particular page. And so if I go up here to the top, next to Insert, you have Format, Table, and Layout. And so if I click on Layout, I can change the layout of this particular page. And so I can go to a 2-column layout, a 3-column layout, 1 column with a column or a horizontal row on the top, 1 in the middle, 1 on the bottom, 2-column layout with a header and a footer, 3-column layout, a sidebar, left sidebar, right sidebar, so on and so forth. So I think how I'm going to change the layout for this particular page is I'm going to go with a left sidebar actually. And so here I have kind of my header row of this particular layout. I have a little sidebar that's happening here. I have a place in the middle to put some text, and then I have kind of a little footer row. And in this sidebar, I want to add an icon or picture for Twitter. And so I did a search in Google for images for Twitter. Now, not all of these images are available for me to use legally. And so I am going to do an advanced search. So if I click on the gear shift and go to advanced search and scroll down to usage rights, and currently not filtered by license is selected. If I click down, I can click on free to use or share. So those are pictures that are free for me to use or share, and hit advanced search. I'll get a trimmed down list of icons that I can use. And this one looks pretty good. So I'm going to right click it and save image as Twitter. And it's on my desktop. And so now I'm going back to my site. And I'm going to insert that image. So I go to Insert, Image, Upload Images, and that Twitter JPEG is there on my desktop. Select that. And then select the image. Okay. And oops, I put it where I don't want it. So I'm going to exit out of there and actually insert it again right there. Image. Okay, there we go. And it is where I would like it to be. So if I click on save, then my image is there on the sidebar. And if I'm not happy with the image's size, I can just go to edit, click on the image, click on small to make it smaller or bigger, medium to make it bigger, so on and so forth.